Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Teyusa, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Kharchittil English Medium School, Muktainagar. So, dear students, today we're going to discuss the worksheet 1, which is came from, depending upon the topic Merry Go Round, the poem, a beautiful poem. Okay, so depending upon the poem, we have made this worksheet. So I hope you will better understand by my explanations, right? And what the thing is, the first question we're going to discuss. The first question is fill in the blanks using the pictures, right? What you have to do, the blanks already given here. According to the arrow mark, you have to use this or that. So keep in mind, suppose if the arrow mark is nearer to the picture, so what do we have to write? This. Suppose if the arrow mark is more than distance and it is far from the picture, we have to write that. Very simple. So it has given for you one picture, that is one ship. So dash is a ship. This is a ship or that is a ship. Why? Because that is very nearer to the picture. So what we have to do it? What we have to write it? You have to write this. Okay? What you have to write? This. So this is a ship. Next, frog. But it is very far from the arrow, right? So what we have to do it? What we have to write? We have to write that. So that is a frog. Next questions. Now we're going to discuss this plural form, these, and that plural form is those. Got it? So here, two eagles are present. So what we have to write it here? And that is the arrow is far from the pictures, isn't it? So what we have to write? That. That plural form, what will come? Those. So those are eagles. Those are eagles. The same thing. Next question is these are fishes. So here these are fishes. Can you say it? Yeah, that's the correct answer. Why? Because the arrow is very nearer to the picture. That's why we have to write this. The same things. Next question is given for you. These are dogs. Here also the arrow mark is very near. That's what we have to write. These are dogs. Then after dash is a cow. So what do you have to say? Here also the arrow is nearer to the picture. That's what we have to write. This is a cow. This is a cow. So the students, I hope you understand. Next we are going to do the next questions. That is write the vowels letter. It is very easy for you, right? Why? Because in KG2 you might have read what is vowels letter, what is consonant letter, and I hope you better understand. Without looking you can write it, right? So I hope so that without look you can write the answer. So till I have written for you, A, E, I, O, U is completely coming under the vowels letter, while B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. But you don't have any Z, so you have to write Z it, okay? So in this way, we have to write the consonant letter. You have to write Z here. I hope you will better understand for this. So this is also what? Consonant letter. So dear student, I hope you better understand for this. Next we're going to do the question, that is look at the picture and write what you see in it. So here completely depending upon the articles using of a, an. Got it? So it has given for you a picture, a tree. We can write a bird, a monkey, a mango, a tree, a boy, while in the second picture it is coming under that an old man. Next questions, umbrella. So what you have right here, an umbrella. Why? Because the umbrella, the first letter is U. U means the vowels letter. So vowels letter or vowel sound before and will come to you. Next, apple. So an apple, an egg, an orange, etc. While and the things are given for you, its answer given below side of here, a snake. You can write it here, an ostrich, a giraffe, and a crocodile, an elephant. So in this way you can write the answer. Answer is here given for you. That is which is easy, very easy for you. So the student, I hope you better understand this session has been completed and the worksheet also already completed. I understand, and whenever if you have any doubt wherever it is, so definitely you can call to me and you can clarify your doubts. So the students, so keep smile and keep watching till the next session. Okay, bye.